Charlie and the Magic Chip Factory. One sunny morning, Charlie the Curious Bunny hopped over to his friend, Max the Wise Owl. "Max," Charlie said, "I love eating those crispy, yummy chips. But where do they come from?" Max smiled and adjusted his glasses. "Well, Charlie, why don't I take you on an adventure to find out?" With a flap of his wings, Max whisked Charlie off to the Magic Chip Factory. When they arrived, they were greeted by Chef Crispy, a friendly squirrel wearing a tall chef hat. "Welcome to the Magic Chip Factory," Chef Crispy said. "Here, we turn potatoes into the tastiest chips ever." Chef Crispy led them to a giant field where farmers were picking fresh, golden potatoes. "The first step," he explained, "is choosing the best potatoes. We make sure they're clean and healthy." Charlie watched as the potatoes were washed in a big, bubbly bath. "Squeaky clean," he giggled. Next, the potatoes went on a conveyor belt where a clever machine sliced them into thin, perfect circles. "We slice them evenly so every chip cooks just right," Chef Crispy said. Charlie sniffed the air as the potato slices were dropped into a huge pot of bubbling oil. "This is where the magic happens," said Chef Crispy. "The slices are fried until they're golden and crispy." Max added, "Some chips are baked instead of fried to make them healthier." After cooking, the chips traveled through a flavoring station. "This is my favorite part," Chef Crispy said, sprinkling cheese, barbecue, and even pizza flavors onto the chips. "Can I try?" Charlie asked. He sprinkled some honey on a batch, creating a new flavor. "Sweet Bunny Delight!" Chef Crispy laughed. Finally, the chips were cooled and packed into colorful bags by robots. "We make sure the bags are sealed tight to keep the chips fresh and crunchy," Chef Crispy said. Charlie saw a delivery truck ready to take the chips to stores. "So, this is how chips get to my snack cupboard," he exclaimed. Max and Charlie returned home with a special bag of Sweet Bunny Delight chips. As they munched, Max said, "Remember, Charlie, snacks are a treat, so enjoy them in moderation." Charlie smiled. "Thanks for the adventure, Max. I'll always think of the Magic Chip Factory when I eat chips." And from that day on, Charlie shared the story of the Magic Chip Factory with all his friends, making snack time even more fun.